One of the joys of living on a river is not using a car to visit the many restaurants and bars that run along its banks. And on cue, here comes our taxi. These are our new friends from Guernsey. And as a Jerseyman, I never thought I'd say that. Can you believe it? We move nearly 600 miles into France and land up as next-door neighbours to our biggest rivals from the Channel Islands. Thankfully, they still live across the river from us. So at least we're still divided by water. Don't worry, the banter is just good fun. Especially as we all now live here on this lovely river Lot in southwest France. Guernsey Martin is at the helm. On a river, navigation's fairly easy. Where we are heading is either up or downstream.
Do you know the way to this restaurant?
It's that way.
It's March and it's an unusually cold day for this time of year, with grey skies too. But the views make up for that. That's our destination to starboard. Well done, Captain Martin. This is Bugatel, a fabulous restaurant in the little town of Sainte-Livrade.
Cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
It has the biggest open wood-fired grill I've ever seen. Ooh, I do like a big steak. And Martin likes a nice bottle of wine. And at Bugatel, there's no wine list, so you have to choose your own down in the cellar. Now, this is dangerous. Martin's mum's over to stay with him from Guernsey. Hopefully she will keep things under control. I think it's my favourite part of this restaurant, the fact that you have to come down and choose your own wine. It's kind of nicer, isn't it, than looking at a wine list. You just venture around and you actually get to look at all the bottles. Choose a good-looking label. I mean, that's the thing, isn't it? On a menu, you don't see the different labels that are there. Whereas here, you can just pick up a bottle and go, oh, yeah, I like that. Now, Maria, she likes her vin blanc. So this is cool. Look, we're going into the fridge. Ta-da! It's a cool room. God, actually, it's freezing. The good news is that I know what she wants. They have a house bottle here. Domaine de Bugatel. That'll do us nicely. Perfect for a little sole marinière. But I'll be having red, though, with this steak.
Perfection.
Ha! Meet Sandy, she who doesn't want to be filmed.
What are you doing? Go away. Go away. Richard calls, do not film this.
And Maria's had enough of the camera too. I need to find a more discreet way of filming. Now, which way home? Ha, who cares?
Who's going water skiing first?
As the clouds break, Maria rids the tree of last year's unfallen apples. It's amazing what you do after a glass or two of wine. The next morning, whilst our future Olympic champions practiced their rowing, I was gearing up to be energetic too with a little gardening. It's very exciting. You can see all the blossoms coming out on the trees. So pretty. But the most exciting thing is our potatoes have started to sprout. They've only been in for a week, and just have a look at this. Oh, aren't they cute? I found these little bamboo shoots in my lawn. Is this an April Fool's joke? Today is the 1st of April and these little shoots have popped up in the garden. I know what they are and they're going to be trouble. I think it's time to get the root slayer out to remove them. However, just before I do, let's see how fast they grow. We're going away for a few days. When we come back though, it's time for them to come out. So with the gardening over, we pack the car and head to our new favourite city for Maria's birthday, Bordeaux. Time for some more foodie shots. And I've discovered the joy of filming with my Ray-Bans. Trouble is, I'm always getting into trouble.
It just looks lovely with the shadow.
You filming with those glasses?
I might be.
No,
I'm not.
I can see you are because the light's on. You're always filming with those glasses. And I know when you're filming.
Note to self, get rid of the tally light.
Cheers. Here's to Bordeaux. I wonder how those bamboo shoots are getting on. Just look at that. It's unbelievable. Now, the chap that was here before said that they grow so fast you can almost watch them grow. Now, I was going to use this root slayer to cut the roots. The roots go parallel under the ground. But what he said is just chop them down and they never come back. So here we go. Look, there's a saw on the end of this. I know. Look at my spade. The sticker gives away how much I use it. Wowza. Do you remember how big we saw it? That big.
I can't believe that they've all come in just like a day or so.
They just cut. Oh, look, he's cut. Look.
And one there,
Where?
over there.
I can't see it. Oh, yeah. Cheeky little one.
Yeah,
Is that a lot?
I think so. For today, anyway.
Coming soon in our new life in France. I become creative with bamboo.
What are you doing? So while he's building a pergola, I thought I would make some apple sauce.
And we find the very best of local entertainment at a hunting festival. And I managed to get a French number plate after trying for just 4 months.